Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download churn analysis reports from ChurnZero step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the ChurnZero login page. Enter your credentials to log into your ChurnZero account. Once logged in, locate the dashboard on your home page. Find the Reports section in the sidebar menu on the left. Click on Reports to expand the options. Select Churn Analysis from the list of available reports. You will be directed to the Churn Analysis Reports page. Here, you can customize the report settings to fit your needs. Adjust the date range to specify the timeframe for your analysis. Use the filters to refine the data based on customer segments. Once you have set your preferences, look for the Generate Report button. Click on Generate Report to compile your data. Wait for a moment while the report is being prepared. Once the report is ready, it will be displayed on your screen. Review the findings to ensure all necessary data is included. Locate the Download button, usually found near the top right of the report. Click on the Download button to begin the export process. Choose your preferred file format, such as CSV or PDF. Confirm your choice to start the download. Your report will now be saved to your device. Navigate to your Downloads folder to locate the file. Open the file to review your churn analysis report in its downloaded format. You have successfully downloaded your churn analysis report from ChurnZero. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.